There's my Beetle gearbox. Hey guys, so after my successful scrapyarding mission yesterday, as you could probably have told, the subframe is on the trailer, and I'm going to be taking it apart on the trailer so that it's lighter for me to move around. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this, and I'll be doing a little bit of work, learning and figuring out how everything comes apart. Yeah, it should be fun. Cool, let's get to work. These are more like buggy wheels or something. Pretty cool. Okay, so these are quite different from the Pro White wheels. How's it, my friends? Okay, so today I'm going to try and use the high pressure washer with the sand blasting attachment. I think they call it Dustless sandblasting. I lent this machine from a friend of mine. Very, very grateful to Seb. Thank you. Let's give it a go. Hopefully I don't make too much of a mess. Cool. Lekker. Catch you now. So that made a right mess, but that's not too bad. I'll show you some more. So obviously the sand goes flipping everywhere, but I think most of the velocity of the sand is taken off when it hits the primary part. So you can see I just did it very lightly. It still makes a hell of a mess. Just to test a few bits. So what I'll do is I'll try and get this piece of junk out of here and then just spray the entire trailer down with just water. Radical. Just by the way, look at how quickly the stuff starts to rust again. I mean, it's turning like orange before my eyes. I mean, look at that. You can distinctly see the rust starting to form again. Very, very interesting. This is probably better to use on aluminium casings, etc. Or at least to get most of the stuff off before you give it a bit of a dry and then a light sanding or something. I'll have to look this up. On the other side, you can see basically what we started from. How's it, friends? Okay, so this is next day. Let's continue spraying. Look how nice and clean the sandblasting of this nosecone is with a hockey stick. thing is amazing. Just don't look at the horrible way that I've made levers here. But yeah, with a bit of heat on that nut, some weird levers, spanners, wire, some zip ties. The only thing that I've left out here is the duct tape. Okay, so this is the before the sandblasting, left hand side. Let's see how it turns out. Right hand side, really much better. And here I finally get that sub-assembly apart. Catch you now.